Hello, my name is Mr. Zuidema, or Mr. Z, and I teach physics here at Oceanside High School. I also teach chemistry and AP chemistry, which I have a master's in. This year they need somebody to teach a couple sections of physics, and I have taught it in the past, and so I'm taking on two of the sections along with Mr. Fogliotti. The way this class works is that on Monday or Sunday night, I send out a calendar and post it on Google Classroom. The calendar is for the whole week. It has a listing of what we're going to do each day. It also, in that folder for that week, will be some of the assignments either there on Sunday night or they'll be put there during the week. So it's always accessible. The syllabus of this class, which explains all the rules and the grading scale, was in week 1, and it says syllabus on Google Classroom, and if you'd like to get more information about that, you just look on week 1 and it's there. If you wish to contact me or know and so forth, on the board behind me is my name and how you spell it, and also the fact that I'm in room 3302, which is the northwest corner of the science building on the 3rd floor, and I also am reachable on extension 3302, and you can see my email there is through the school email. Essentially, there is homework most days, but not necessarily every day. And what that means is that when you look at the calendar, you can work ahead if you have a night where you're not going to be able to do homework, and there may or may not be over the week, maybe 3 homeworks during that week time. There's usually a quiz every week. The quizzes are open notes, and as long as a student keeps notes and they can't use the internet on quizzes or their cell phone, as long as they keep good notes, they should be able to be successful on that and practice the homework. Doing the homework is crucial. We also do some labs, not necessarily every week, but we have a lot of labs to make up the skills that the kids have missed the last year and a half. At the end of every unit, or in the middle, there is a test. The test in my classes is closed notes. Essentially, the quizzes prepare you for the test, and at some point you have to make that transition. If the student has difficulty in the class and needs extra help, I am available for tutoring. I'm here 4 lunch periods a week, every day except Wednesday. I do 0-hour tutoring for Health Academy, which physics kids can come to at 7:30 on Monday until 8:20. And I usually have a few other times before assessments that I will announce the class in advance, and usually those will be after school, essentially. This class has a lot of thinking in it. It has some independent learning skills that have to be learned. It has problem solving in it and a number of problems that involve algebra and a little bit of proportions. Essentially, there's a lot of graphs as well, and graph interpretation is a really important skill here, and analyzing data is a really important skill, and we have spent the first 4 to 5 weeks on that. We will start out with motion at this point, and we're going to go into uniform motion and also acceleration over the next few weeks. Physics is a good class to get if you wish to graduate with the physical science requirement from physics. You have to have 1 to graduate. It is a class that could be a stepway to some engineering, and if you want to take AP Physics, it's probably wise to take this class first rather than jump straight into AP Physics. If you have any questions, you want to contact me, all that information is there and on the board, and it's in the syllabus. Feel free to do so, and I'll get back to you usually within 24 hours, if not sooner. Thank you for your time. Enjoy your day.